What is the total of 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 10 plus 7? Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a piece of code I've written in Python. What it does is it has created a audio-enabled chatbot. I'm using OpenAI API key and Google TTS to make it work. I got the Python code with the help of ChatGPT. So you need Python. So you can go to python.org, and you can go to the downloads page and download the latest version. And then you have to have ChatGPT to get your Python code, and then you will have to work with it, maybe a few iterations of trial and error before you get the code to get it to work. So this is the code that I have created. So let's give it a shot and see how it works. Okay. So we go to the command prompt. So that's my file there that I have to run. Python file name.
Hello, how may I help you?
How can you help me?
I can help you in various ways, depending on what you need assistance with. Here are some examples of how I can assist you. 1. Answering questions. If you have any questions or need information on a particular topic, I can provide you with accurate and helpful answers. 2. Providing recommendations. If you need suggestions or recommendations for products, services, or activities, I can offer personalized recommendations based on your preferences and needs. 3. Setting reminders and alarms. If you need help remembering important.
What is the total of 10 plus 7 plus 8? What is the
How can I assist you today?
What is the total of 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 10 plus 7?
The total of 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 10 plus 7 is 40.
What is the square root of 36?
The square root of 36 is 6.
What is the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris.
What is the depth of the Atlantic Ocean?
The average depth of the Atlantic Ocean is approximately 12,080 feet, 3,682 meters. However, the maximum recorded depth reaches about 27,493 feet, 8,380 meters, in the Puerto Rico Trench.
Thank you for all your answers.
You're welcome. I'm here to assist you whenever you need help. Feel free to ask me anything at any time.
There you go, friends. So this is how it's working. you could see that there the answers were cutting off. The sentences at the end were cutting off. Uh, the reason for that is I've given only max tokens 100. If I change that and make it a larger number, like maybe 1000 or 500, then it won't cut off. I'm just giving I'm making sure that max tokens is only 100 so that the response is short and we don't have to listen to a whole lot of content. So there you go. This is how the program works, and I am going to add a few more things to it in the future. Maybe ask it to play music or something else, almost like what Alexa does, So thanks a lot for watching, and if you like this kind of videos, do like and subscribe, and please comment and let me know if you like the video. Thanks a lot.